I'm actually in a miller where they grind grains, different kinds of grain. It's actually good for you to travel and see new things and new people. I have to trek miles to come here to grind some grains I bought for myself. That is millet, corn, and guinea corn. So this is the place I came to grind it. It's a good experience anyway. I've trekked very, very far. This place has been here for a very long time. So if you're in day you want to grind your thing, this is where you will come. A day market behind the timber market. So come here and patronize them. Come here and patronize them. So I'm actually in day Abuja. So